What are you doing?
Come see Pa. Come over here.
You're hiding that bone, are you?
It's sad, though.
Don't you hide that bone in the pot plant?
A person cannot live in their own home.
And for now, Clive isn't going anywhere. Christian DeGarra.
Ralphie,
Tony Abbott
bring it
has
back.
been forced to slap down one of his MPs who says the coalition may have to break election
Where'd you go?
promises because of the budget black hole. Paul Bongiorno joins us live from Canberra.
What are you doing with it?
Mr. Abbott is under extreme pressure now to release those
Oi.
election costings.
He certainly is, Sandra. The
Where you
government
going with, eh?
but a lot of pressure today came from the veteran Liberal MP, Don Randall. He's forced Tony
Where you
Abbott
taking
into a
it?
fiscal straitjacket. That's
You're going to hide it?
the opposition leader now says that he will keep
Don't hide it inside.
after the election, no matter what the state of the budget. Now, this is something that the Liberal Premier
still got it?
Colin Barnett, couldn't and wouldn't do.
Ralphie,
It was all aboard the Tony Abbott campaign bus in Western
don't you hide that inside?
But across the continent, veteran Liberal Don Randall was spoiling
Where are ya?
the fun, saying there'd be
Surely,
internal
there
pressure
he is.
after the election to break some
Where are you going to hide it?
as circumstances change. There'll be that sort of talk, he said.
No one's going to take it off you.
Governments do that.
I've got to congratulate
Take it outside.
on belling the cat.
He knows what he said was wrong.
If you put it out there, the cats will get it, won't they?
For breaking promises.
Exactly right.
Don Randall went to